So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply the Crystallize effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and apply a Crystallize effect, you need to go around over here under Effects right here, and then you need to go around over here under Creative, and over here you can see that Crystallize is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I have this image right here. So I can go ahead and change around the size of the image right here, just like this. You can increase and decrease it. And then as per the crystal blocks right here, just like this, you can see that this is the crystallization option that actually gets applied. So it takes the pixel samples and then makes it like a connecting block right here, just like this. You can see the before and after right here, and that is the effect that you have just like this. And this is how you can simply go ahead and apply the Crystallize effect. As you can see right here, the control is quite simple, so you can simply go ahead and change around the size, and that's it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.